Hello everyone! In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you could get a free month of Discord Nitro from the Epic Games store with their new offer that they just released yesterday. That is right, Epic Games launcher has released a new promotion for a free month of Discord Nitro, which they recently did this earlier in the year, about 6 months ago or so. They did this where they offered a free month of Discord Nitro, and they're doing it again, and it is available until December 17th. So make sure you get right on this. And before we begin, I just want to let you know that this is only working for new Nitro users or users who have never actually had Nitro on their account before. Or if you want to just create a new Discord account to get it, you can do that as well. But either way, if you've had Discord Nitro before, this will not work. But if you have not, then this is the video for you because you can get a free month right now. And also, before we start, I want to let you know that you will also probably need some sort of payment method to actually claim it. You can remove the payment method right after claiming it, but it does require it just like any other subscription for any service. It's like a trial basically, so you have to use some sort of method just to temporarily claim it, and then you can remove the method afterwards, but it is for a free month. So anyways, we will want to go to store.epicgames.com, in other words, the Epic Games website or official website. And once you go here, let's just bring it up. So you'll be brought to the main store page here. I am currently logged in already, so I don't need to log in. But if you're not logged in, then you'll have to click the sign in button in the top right corner. And you'll just sign in normally. If you don't have an account, you can create one. You could just use your Google account or whatever you like. And then once you do that, you will have to do 2 steps. Now, look, we can actually see here the Discord Nitro here. But if you click on here, it'll bring you to the free Nitro section here. But this button, now it says it's in my library because I already claimed it. It'll basically be grayed out. It'll say get and it'll be grayed out. And the reason why is because the launcher or the store here will think that you don't have Discord installed. Even if you have it installed on your computer, it won't think that. So what you have to do to make that button light up is you're going to have to go to Discord. So you're going to have to search Discord in the store. You're going to have to go to Discord, and then this button, or the get button for this, will be lit up. So you'll basically click the get button. It will then open another window that'll basically just say like place your order or something. You'll click place your order once that window appears, and then once you do that, then it'll just say it's in your library, and that'll be fine. So you have to make sure to do this step first before you can actually claim the Nitro. So make sure you do that. Then you could go back. You go back to the Nitro offer, and then the get button for Nitro will be lit up. Okay, and then you could actually claim it. Now, what you're gonna do from then is you will click get, just like when you got the Discord application on here. Now, by the way, you don't have to install anything. You're just tricking the launcher basically into thinking that you have it. And also, you don't need the Epic Games launcher. All you need is to go to the Epic Games store website. So anyways, you'll click get. It will do the same thing. You'll add it, you're placing your order, and then it'll say it's in your library. Now, once it does that, whichever email is logged in to the Epic Games store will be sent an email with the Nitro code. So if I just go to my email now, so I'm on my email now, and you can see that I got my the email here, from Epic Games, saying Discord Nitro giveaway offer. And then once you go to this email, we could see the email here. So basically, there'll be a redeem it now button, and that's all you really need to know. It'll show you a bunch of other stuff, but just click redeem now. It'll bring you to the new tab, just like how chess.com did it in their previous offer. And it says right here, so you got 1 month of Nitro, okay? 16 plus Discord perks are all yours. Enjoy. Now, I'm signed in on my alt, actually, so I will get this Nitro. So if I click next, then you will have to add a payment method. And by the way, you have to do this in the browser because it just doesn't launch into the it doesn't launch into the Discord app. So you have to do this in the browser. So you have to add a new payment method. You could either use credit card or PayPal. Both work. Doesn't matter what it is. And then once you do that, then you could click, then you could claim it, and it'll be added to your account. Now, once you've claimed it and it's on your account, how to cancel your payment so you don't get charged $10 the next month. Well, all you're going to do is you're going to go into your user settings, okay? You're going to go to billing. Now, let me just turn off streamer mode here. So you're going to go to billing, and your payment methods will be saved in this tab here. And I can't really demonstrate this, but it'll be here, and there'll be an option to remove it. There'll be a red X in the top right, and you could remove it there. As well as you could go to the subscription tab, if it'll load, okay, and it'll show your active subscription. Now it'll show that you have a month of Discord Nitro, or whatever it says here, right? But there'll be an option to cancel the subscription. So you could just cancel it. It won't remove your Nitro. It'll just cancel the subscription so you don't get charged again. But as long as you remove the billing and cancel the subscription, you won't be charged the next month. So make sure you do that. And if you do that, you'll be totally fine, and you will get your free month of Discord Nitro. So that is how you get it. Just remember, right, it's only for new users who haven't had Discord Nitro before. So if you load this up and you've already had Discord Nitro before, or Discord thinks you have, then it'll say, sorry, this is for new users only, and whatever else it says. But anyways, guys, that is how you get a free month of Discord Nitro from this new offer from Epic Games. Similar to how you got the free month from chess.com, it is for new users only, sadly. I wish they did some ones for returning users. And the weird thing is, by the way, is that on the actual page, it actually says, what does it say? Yeah, it literally says right here, free for new and returning Nitro users, which is completely fake because you don't actually get it if you've already had it before. So Epic Games is kind of lying right here. So if you see this, don't be mad at them. Well, I mean, you could be mad at them, but I'm just letting you know that it is a typo, and that yes, it's only for new users. So this is a typo here. This actually threw me off because I thought that I would get an extra month, but obviously that doesn't work. But yeah, so I'm just letting you know that it does say returning users here, but you don't actually get it when you click or when you go to actually claim it. Anyways, though, that's a wrap to this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe. We are on track to 1,000 subscribers, and it would be really nice if you can join the journey. And also, please join my Discord server. It is in the link in the description below, and we're trying to get to 400 members in our Discord server right now. And yeah, and once we hit 1,000 subs, there will be another giveaway, so please stay tuned for that. And also, if you are a new viewer and this is your first time viewing one of my videos, I do Discord content and Discord tutorials for everything that you need at Discord. So if you want to subscribe and turn on notifications, please do, because you will get notified whenever there's another major free item like this, or if I'm making some cool tutorials on Discord bots or other Discord server related things that you might find useful. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next video, and have a good day. Bye-bye.